We're going to do a little video here on a propane heater from TechSport. It goes on the small little green tanks like we purchased here from Walmart. We got these for about $7 for the two of them. This we spent $23, I believe. No, might have been $32. Amazon. Buying a lot of stuff from Amazon lately. But we bought this because, oh, I like that. These little legs spin out. Sorry.
Ready for you.
Little legs spin out so it don't flip over on you. These come together, you pop this off.
5, 1. I forgot that.
Looks like it just sits in there.
6, 3.
Alright. I'm just going to spin this back in because I really don't need it popped out at the moment. Not anywhere where it's unstable. I'm not moving. So what we got here is little heating. Oh,
Wow!
little heating
That was
unit.
so loud, right?
Can you hold this for me?
Just doing some calculator work.
Just hold it. Don't put your finger right here. Hold it on this side. Okay? Try to just show right here what I'm doing. Of course, everything you got has warnings on it.
Everything.
Warning here, warning there. Careful, hot, danger. Be careful with it, I don't want to break it.
Yeah. It costs a lot.
$32.
32 is a
You're
lot.
bouncing around too much, please. Just stay still.
I can't stay
This piece
still.
comes separate. Comes pops. Uh-oh. You got a little damage already on there. This piece, you can see this one here. This was bent too far out.
He needs to fix it.
Yeah, bouncing around through the truck or something maybe.
You can fix it. You can fix it.
It's just a little piece of metal.
You can definitely fix it.
It's just a heat shield.
Heat
It has, what is it? Off, low, medium, and high. This is supposed to reach 32,890 BTUs, which is pretty high, actually. So, okay, just get this right here. Just stay backed out. Hopefully, she's not moving around too much for everyone.
I just wanted to switch chairs.
This does come with, show this right here. This does come with a carrying case, carrying handle. You can pop this on.
My arms are tired.
So if it's hot, you can carry it around with your tank attached. Or maybe you can even hang it if you have to, I guess. But we'll go ahead and
Put it on.
it's in there pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna screw this on.
Well, oh. Gotta screw it on really tight.
Yeah, you don't want any leaks. Okay, that's off. Okay, step back just a little bit.
Okay.
No, just. Here, Mom. Can you hold this? I'll be right back. I'm just gonna. This has got a little clicker here. It's supposed to. I'm assuming it's supposed to click to start the fire. Don't.
Like an igniter?
Don't hear any clicking though.
No.
I'm going to try it once just to see what happens when I turn it on. Okay, that's low. Uh-oh. Let me get a, push pause a second, I'm going to get a lighter. Okay, I guess this is it's not an ignition button, it's a gas release valve. What you got to do is turn this on low, get your lighter ready. and then hit your gas release button, which is the red button. It says hold it for 30 to 60 seconds, and you'll see the flame coming out. I'm not sure what the temperature gauge is for. I'll have to read that, I guess. Okay, it's getting hot.
I can see it.
Yeah, it's getting hot.
Okay, we're going to let go of the button.
It's hot. Feels good.
It's really red.
Yeah, I'm about 12 inches away. I feel it pretty good. That's on low.
That's only on low.
I'm going to turn it up to medium just to give you a little...
Oh, that's just low?
That's low.
Wow.
Turn it up to medium.
I really don't want
That's
you to put it
medium.
on high. Please don't put it on high. I don't want you to.
And then we'll go up to high, which is high is 2,890 BTU.
I can't feel it from here.
Yeah, it's pretty. Woo! Hot.
Oh, it's
Feel it now? This will probably be what we turn it on in the van just to warm it up real quick and then bring it down.
really hot.
We bought this because we're going to be taking our trip next weekend, and I'm afraid to be in the van when it's possibly 28 degrees at night with a 6-year-old. So we do have
Heater.
the gas. We have an electric heater for our inverter, so that we can run a small electric heater, but that's only going to run probably for 6 hours,
Yeah.
maybe less on the
Look
battery.
at how it cools
So we wanted
down.
something
It's
back up.
already cool.
With this, we're going to have to crack our ceiling vent because it's propane, and we don't want to carbon monoxide ourselves. And we'll also have a carbon monoxide detector to put in the van
In the
and
van.
a fire
Alarm. Yep.
because we want to be safe. So, and if you're going to use something like this when you're sleeping, I suggest using the strap they give you to at least attach it to somewhere so that it doesn't tip over on you.
Yeah.
They said on the tanks that if
It
you run
could
it,
cause a fire.
it could go between 8 and 12 hours in one tank. So I'm figuring 12 hours on low. We're going to probably have it on high to get it started and then crank it down to low to sleep because we do have our thermal sleeping bags that are rated for 30 degrees.
Yeah. Negative.
Negative 30?
Was
think
it
it's 30
negative?
degrees.
Okay. All right.
30 degrees. So
All I know is
if
one.
this is on low and we get our thermal sleeping bags, we should be toasty. But it's not going to last 12 hours because we're going to burn it on high for a while. So I'm figuring about 8 hours, which would be enough for us to get a good night's sleep.
Correct.
And if we're out there for 4 or 5 days, we're probably going to burn through 4 or 6 of these tanks. 2 tanks cost us $7. So if we go through 4 tanks, it's $14 in a week.
Still not
That's
too
not
bad.
bad.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
sorry for being a long video there, but we'll give you a review on everything we got in the van next weekend. So thanks for watching.
Be careful
Please
when
share.
you're doing this. If
Yes,
you're
always
doing
be
this.
careful. You don't want to burn yourself. I got a story coming up and some pictures I'll show you of what happens when you play with fire. Thanks for watching.